Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of frankly. In an open, honest, and direct manner. For example, she talks very frankly about herself. American pronunciation. Frankly. Frankly. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Frankly. Say. Frankly. Frankly means honest and direct manner. Frankly. Frankly. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Quite frankly, American film studios are going about this remake business all wrong. Now, repeat after me. Quite frankly, American film studios are going about this remake business all wrong. The second practice. The glorification of violence, bad language and sexism I find quite frankly appalling. Now, repeat after me. The glorification of violence, bad language and sexism I find quite frankly appalling.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.